Back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna. So this video is not any makeup related video. Yes, so this is the video that I have never done on my channel. Yes, so this is the review of one website. This is the food website. Yeah, so this is the food website which is named as Gorb, Gorb, and through this website you can order food at your door. So the name of this website is www.gorb.in. Yeah, so as you log into this website, you will get to have this page which says that enter your location. So you will have to enter your location here. So this is the thing where you will have to enter your location, and as such I am in Mumbai, so I will enter here Mumbai and my locality area. So it will show you all the things that are available on the day on which you are logging on to this website. For example, I'm just going to show you how it works. So as I am here entering my location, which is Mumbai, so I'm just writing Mumbai here. Yeah, so I'm just choosing Mumbai airport, Mumbai. Yeah, so now as and when you will enter your location here, it will suggest you, it will show you all the things available today. So it will give you today's menu. As you see here, this is gulab jamun, 3 pieces, and this is thandai mousse, and it is sold out. And most of the items are available here: guava passion, strawberry and kiwi twister, pav bhaji with onion kachumbar, and 6 white dhokla with green chutney. So these are all the food that are available with them Gorb website, and you can choose any one of these. So yeah, it is adding some more dishes, I think. Yeah, so some more cuisines are available now. So might be possible that on which day you are ordering food, so many of the food items are sold out. As you see here, this food item is sold out. Let's see what is this. So yeah, this is thandai mousse, and today it is sold out, so we cannot order this one. If you are ordering first time from this website, you will have to you will have to enter this code, that is GORB150. Yeah, so this is the code that you will apply one time only whenever you will order food from this website, and the offer valid for one time usage only, and you will have to order for more than 150 rupees. Yes, so more than 200 rupees of order you will be placing there. And for example, I will be showing you some cuisines that I will order. So before 2 days I have ordered one dish, that is chicken from this website. I have ordered chicken with 4 parathas. So yeah, that was for rupees 200, and and when I have applied code of 150, then 50 rupees I have to give to the delivery boy who has come to my doorstep and then delivered the food to me. So it is almost free, in 50 rupees you are getting chicken and 4 parathas to eat. So for example, I will be ordering this 3 beetroot aloo pyaz parathas with curd. So let's see how does it work. So yeah, I have just added to my menu, added to my cart here. So 3 beetroot aloo pyaz parathas with curd, serve one, and this is for 150 rupees. I have added this to my cart, and now I will have to write the code here, that is GORB 150. Yeah, so this is the code GORB 150, but I think it will not take up my code because I have already ordered from this website. And Yeah, oh my god, as you see that discount is available also, and 150, and the total is only 00 rupees. So you can order food, you can order these 3 beetroot aloo pyaz parathas with curd at 00 price only, and the delivery boy will come at your website, oh sorry, at your home, and will deliver the food to you. And now you will have to select the timing zone from here. For example 21:05, you can also select this slot. Clock is also available, so this is the slot of times that are available with them. And also you will have to, you know, add your new address here. So I think it is good, because it is right now, what time it is right now, this time 4:15, 4:18, and at 8 o'clock it will be delivering at my doorstep this food at 00 price. Yes, so if you have patience, if you have 4 to 5 hours with you to order food, you can do it. So, and this website is very slow, and it is raving like, you know, any other thing. This is the most wanted website these days, so I just thought to review it for you guys. So yeah, order this gorb food from your home, and you will be getting food for free, or for 50 or 80 rupees, as you have you know, ordered the food. So just try your luck here. Just write your city here. If your city, if in your city the service is available, you will be getting food for free, or for 50 or 80 rupees, just for 50 or 80 rupees. So this is a very good website, and this was my review over this gorb website, gorb food website. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit like to this video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones, so that they can also get the knowledge to, you know, enter your free food and get your free food from gorb.com. Yeah, so stay beautiful, stay stylish. Till then, bye bye, see ya, take care, bye.